You know what else I was wondering? Yeah, I think the phone cut off, but I was wondering, like, like, instead of people just, like, these men or women or whoever, like, rotting away in jail, like, sitting there, I just don't understand why it wouldn't be some more things that could be done. I don't know, I was just thinking, like, what if they taught because that might be another reason why somebody wouldn't want to go to jail. I mean, you probably wouldn't want to go to jail if you knew you was going to have to, like, be in boot camp or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, because some people might go there and they like jail a little bit. But, because they get some food or something, whatever. Maybe they used to being alone. They just want to be off the street or something, Or they just used to that atmosphere or something. Like, I don't think nobody really do get used to it. I don't know that much about jail, but it just seemed like it could be something else going on in there. Like school, I'm pretty sure they have these things, but I just wonder if it's like one thing would have to be mandatory when you go to jail. Something that people wouldn't want to do. Like go to school. I mean, well, I guess I can't just say people. People like me. But yeah, or just like even now with times being the way they are, could you imagine if they were like, they had like a boot camp or something like that or whatever. So even when these guys do get out, they would even be able to like be more equipped to handle like a neighborhood or something, some kind of like leadership qualities. I don't know. Like, could you imagine if they started like now with something like that? Because, what if, because they steady building more prisons, then what, is they doing something beneficial, or do they still just make license plates numbers in there? I just be wondering. Because I know, I'm telling you right now, shit. I feel like if you tell me I got to go to jail and I got to wake up and go to school for like 4 hours every day, I'm probably about to stay the fuck up out of jail. Like, I'm just going to have to do it. Like, because that just be a burden, Like if you had to wake up at a certain time, I mean, maybe they do stuff like that, make you wake up and make your bed or something. I wonder if I would like to go to a jail and see how it is. Nah, them motherfuckers won't let me be. No, it's not funny. I'm just saying. I remember though. I think we went to a jail in kindergarten. And something strange happened at that damn jail. I don't know what it is, but something happened at that motherfucking jail. And I can't remember. It's like it left my memory. Something happened at that jail. And I wonder if they took our fingerprint just like fun, just for fun. I just wonder. I be thinking too much, I think. But at least that. I think leadership programs and stuff like that, that like build some, like even some history classes, you know what I'm saying? People could find out like who they is, like these things are important. It builds something. Cause I think once I found out something like that, because in school, people say like go back to Africa or something like that. Not that much, but you hear that people say that. And then when you find out that you was already here, it's just like something was just, I don't know, something happened to me. It was a different way that I walked into the store and shit. Like, not rude or nothing. Not no crazy way. Like, because I feel like, though, if you don't know who you are and you feel some kind of way, or if you go in the store and you feel kind of way because you like to be the only person there, I remember days when I was younger, I didn't want to look at nobody in the eye. Like, I look at the floor and stuff like that. Like, I don't, like, belong or something. And it was just all because of, because of what? I would, like, look away from people. Now I'd be like, I don't know, it's a different way. It's a different way, a different swag or something you got when you know who you are. Or where you from, at least. It's a good start, But yeah, I feel like that. But I'm pretty sure they have this kind of stuff already there. Even like, I know you got like pen pal programs and stuff like that. I wonder if they have a thing where you could, where people that's gonna be in there for a long time, where they have like pen pal visitors or something. You know what I'm saying? Like if they don't have family. I wonder if that's the case, or do they just sit in there and never get a visitor? Okay, they calling me the food. Somebody talking about this food. Okay, I'll be back. That's